Hi guys, welcome back to Godwin John. Today we are going to Subway. मैंने just बाल कटाया आज, दाढ़ी बनाया खाली आज के शूट के लिए. So yeah, today we are going to Subway to experience the new thing called Subway Hotsellers. So there are 8 Subways in total, 4 veg, 4 non-veg. So normally when I used to go to Subway, you have to select your own bread, veggies, sauces, meat, something like that. Now you don't have to do that. Just have to point and say मुझे ये खाना है और आपको वो दे देंगे. So now they have come up with a thing called Hotsellers where they have selected the bread for you, they have selected the sauces for you, the veggies for you, the meat for you, everything. You just have to point it and say कि मुझे ये खाना है. That's all. They have made your life very simple. For example, it was very difficult for me to go and select which bread will go well with which meat. Which sauces will go well. Sauces was a big tension for me. Big tension. कि यार sauce अच्छा जाएगा इसमें. Will it blend well? Will it taste well? Will it complement the meat or not? So yeah. So now I'm very happy. So yeah, today I'm going to Subway to experience the Hotsellers. I'll show you everything ahead. So we have reached Subway. So I have come to the Parla Subway. So this is what I'm trying today. The new way to Subway. Just point and eat. Hotsellers up sub simple. So I'll show you what the Hotsellers are. Omkar is already shooting inside. So the veg Hotsellers are chili cheese, paneer achari, crunchy Mexican, Italian pesto with dip. The non-veg is chicken tikka achari, spicy chick and cheese. That is chicken and cheese. Great American barbecue and pepper chicken with dip. So these are the 8 options, and this is the veg side. This is at Omkar. This is the non-veg side. So I have chosen. To eat chicken tikka achari and crunchy Mexican first, and then let's see if I eat something else as well. सब बता हुआ है यार. मगर it looks good. मेरे सामने थोड़ा बना अभी थोड़े. It's like same Subway. Just you don't have to select your toppings and your sauces and bread. So everything is simple. Just point and order. That's my chicken tikka achari being made now. So ये है Great American Barbecue. It has triple cheese in it. So triple chicken in it. And then we are going to order. कौन सा बोला आपने? Crunchy Mexican नहीं, chili cheese, which has triple cheese in it. So everything triple. So okay, the quantity when you order, make your own Subway, then it's different. And when you make it the Hotseller one, it's different. थोड़ा bias तो है. Yes, अभी आया. So we are done with Subway. I know today का vlog थोड़ा छोटा है और इतना ज़्यादा informative नहीं था, because मैंने ज़्यादा shoot नहीं कर पाया, because we were planning to finish this shoot very soon. हमको जल्दी ख़त्म करना था. So yeah, the Subways Hotsellers were excellent. We had 4 and all 4 were excellent. Filling था काफ़ी, and yeah, you should go and you can order it from any Subway nearby. Any Subway, सब Subway deliver करते हैं Hotseller. But I would tell you to go there and experience it hot out there. घर पे ठंडा हो जाता है ना, मज़ा नहीं आता. गरम खाओगे तो it is superb. That's why it's called Hotsellers. So yeah, that ends my vlog. And keep following me on Godwin John on all social media platforms. I'll put out the Subway reel on this page as well. Chalo, bye.